I'm better.
Hey guys, what's up? I figured I might as well just make a review of my mountain bike. Because, I haven't been doing much mountain bike content on the channel in a while, and I figured it would be cool to bring in some mountain biking people to the channel. So this is my mountain bike. It is my Specialized FSR XC. Now, I'm not too sure of the year, but I'm thinking it's from 2005 to 2007. Now, I'm just going to go over all the parts on this thing because it is the best broken mountain bike you're ever going to see on the planet. Now, I got some Shimano Dior shifters on it. I got a full-on 810 fun bar to a the stem that I got here. I got some pretty much broken Cane Creek bearings. I think the seal's broken. I don't know so much about the bearing itself, but yeah, it works, so I'm not gonna complain there. Got Marzucci bombers, and these Marzucci bombers aren't horrible, just besides the fact that this one leaks oil here, and I don't know if you can see this or not, but I'm pretty sure it's got some nicks onto the fork as well, which is probably why it's leaking oil. Now, I got some pretty much, these are pretty much Walmart tires, which aren't good at all. I want 2.4s. I think these are like 2.10s, which is horrible. It washes out all the time. I got SOS rims. As for the hub here, I think this is a Kona hub. Not sure on the disc brake. Then we bring it back to the rear here. Got a Shimano Dior 9-speed in the back, but as you can see, I got some foam on it because this thing clinks against the frame, and it's really loud when I ride. So I got a Shimano hub in the back. I got Specialized seat, giant seat post, to a Woodman seat clamp that I'm pretty sure was on a carbon bike because it says the amount of newtons I need to crank down on it. This bike was made in Taiwan. I got a broken X Fusion in the back that I have to keep locked out so I don't bottom out, although I get pretty close to it. I got a re-welded pivot in the back because it cracked, so this bike is working really great, I guess. Shimano Alveo cranks, redline pedals, not sure on the grips, but they're just comfortable sliders, which they work though, so I can't complain. Not sure on the front, really, so as you can see, there's a Made in Taiwan sticker, which is kind of sad because only 30% of the company was sold out to overseas, so this could have been a USA made, but instead it's Taiwanese. So that's pretty much the bike check on the sketchiest mountain bike in the world that I ride. But I mean, it's a good bike. It handles fairly decent. Some upgrades would be really nice for this thing, and probably a new bike would be nice too, but gotta deal with what you're given, right? Only paid $150 for it, so I cannot complain. Thanks for watching, guys, and really make sure to subscribe.